Hello Veronica, I'm Dr. Laura. I understand you have been experiencing troubles with your concentration and memory, right?
Yes, that's right. For example, I forget about the small things like where I leave my phone, and I have problems learning new tasks at work. Even if they are explained to me several times.
I see. Sometimes this can be related with some types of memory we use. For example, short-term memory helps us store information for a brief time. There is long-term memory, which keeps things we want to remember for a longer period of time. And lastly, there is working memory, which helps us to solve problems on the spot.
Oh, interesting. I never thought about memories like that.
It can be a little more complex, but I think you might need Dr. Manuel. She specializes in cognition and can help you understand how these types of memory works.
I can see her today.
Yeah, I can lead you to her.
Hi Veronica, I'm Dr. Manuela. Dr. Laura mentioned that you need struggling with memory and focus. Can you tell me a bit more?
Yes, sure. At work, I have a hard time remembering new tasks, even if they are repeated to me several times.
That might relate to learning style. People learn like different ways, like visual, by listening, or by doing, knowing your style.
Oh, I think that's me. I never remember when I'm hands-on.
Great. Also, learners' theory of multiple intelligence, like linguistic, logic, and interpersonal, also affect how you learn and remember.
That's interesting. So my learning style and my intelligence type both matter.
Yeah, personality too. Introverts often learn well alone, while extroverts thrive in group settings. Language use also help expressing what you learn.
That makes sense. So what can I do to improve?
Let's try with memory techniques like association and repetition.
Thank you, Doctor. This is very useful.
Well, Veronica, if you have questions, you can tell me.
Okay, Doctor. Bye.
Bye.